This bitter melon is good for lowering blood sugar, and if you have anemia or low hemoglobin, you have to eat this bitter melon leaves and bitter melon fruit. You can mix it with egg or anything. The leaves you can mix it with beans, and it's good. We have also these purple ones, which is beans. It's good for protein if you're not meat eater. It's good for strength, bodybuilding and strength. So these are the flowers of the beans, and it's for healthier and long life and for cancer prevention. Green vegetables are good for cancer prevention.